Nikhil wasn't scared, what are we going to be scared? Right? I think it was brave. I think it's a brave project to tackle, of course, and that I think that credit goes to Nikhil for being able to take it on. एक ऐसी किताब है जो already public sphere में available है, accessible है, जो बहुत पहले publish हुई थी, बहुत best selling book है, political drama है, thriller है. So the source material is that. But you're right, to take a subject like this and in 2024, किस तरीके से उस स्टोरी को स्पिन करना, वीव करना, उसको बताना, उसको लिखना is a very difficult, challenging task. And I think that the writers, as Arif has said many times today, Mariska has also said, and we all feel that the writers have done an incredible job on this project. क्योंकि ये जो project है हम सबको 2022 में पहली बार हमने सुना इसके बारे में, मिले टीम से, and since then till 24 for 1 year, almost over a year, writing process में बहुत ध्यान दिया गया है, बहुत डिटेल, बहुत meticulous, बहुत मतलब बहुत प्यार से, बहुत ध्यान से writing की गई है इस शो की, और बहुत versions हुए हैं स्क्रिप्ट की. So it's taken a long time to see what you are seeing today.
Yeah, Malishka, but आपके अगर मैं बात करूँ something very different. सरोजनी नायडू जी का कैरेक्टर आप प्ले कर रहे हैं. What made you choose this particular character?
I really love that. You know, everyone has come in and asked us what made us choose. I think the project chose us, and we gladly accepted. क्योंकि अगर आप हम में से किसी की बात करें, you know, बहुत मंझे हुए कलाकार हैं यहाँ पे. They have done lots of work before. This is almost the beginning of my acting career, not absolute beginning, but है. To be chosen to play someone as prolific, as amazing as Sarojini Naidu ji, वो हमारे लिए सौभाग्य की बात है ना. और उसमें जो काम लगता है रिसर्च के अलावा, say there's research, then there's work that you will do on your character, then like I love saying and I've been saying all day because हमारे केस में we had to play an younger version of the character and an older version. The work the team has done, like you've seen 2 episodes आपने देखे हैं, they're going back and forth in history and in time back then. The work that they've done on prosthetics, on our makeup is incredible work. ये जब सब सामने आया, प्लस ऑफ कोर्स निखिल अडवाणी एज अ डायरेक्टर, एमए डूइंग दिस, सोनी लिव पर आ रहा है, ऑल दिस पुट टुगेदर इज लाइक अ मेल्ट इन द माउथ, ड्रीम कम ट्रू. ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो ना कहेगा. द ओनली थिंग दैट इज अ डॉन्टिंग थिंग वुड बी समवन सेज मुझे इतनी मेहनत नहीं करनी है, या फिर मुझे देयर इज नो अदर रीजन. यू आर गेटिंग टू show history, you're getting to make history, you're getting to be part of history. So there is no reason for you to not do it. Plus she was called Nightingale of India, I think. मेरा दिल कहीं पर